So firstly, I will start by taking a mixing bowl and I'm going to add in butter. All the ingredients are in the description box below. Please check it out. To that, I'm adding in powdered sugar, egg whites, some all-purpose flour, vanilla extract, and a pinch of salt. Now I'm going to combine this very well with my hands. I know it is sticky, but you need to get your hands in there, all right? So combine well. The dough will not be too hard. It will be soft like this. So this is how the consistency should be like. Now you need to divide this into 5 equal parts. Okay, so I'm going to tell you how to make 5 different cookies. You can make more dough and make more number of cookies, varieties, all right? So to the first batch, I'm adding in some vanilla extract and all-purpose flour, and I'm going to mix all of this well together. Again, if you feel the dough is not cooperating, it is too sticky, then you can add a little bit of all-purpose flour. You will know the consistency. It should not be the consistency of chapati dough. It should be soft like this, but at the same time it should unstick easily. Okay, keep this aside. Now for the second batch, I'm going to add in some almond powder. Just grind in few almonds and add it, and add in vanilla extract. If you have almond extract, you can add that as well, and again adding it a bit of flour, and combine all of this well. Just repeat the same thing. So your second batch is also done. Keep this aside. The third one, I'm going to pipe it in a piping bag. I'm going to keep that aside as its original form. The fourth one, I'm adding in some milk and adding in some cocoa powder and also some all-purpose flour. What is a cookie without chocolate, right? So chocolate needs to be everywhere. So mix all of this well together. Okay, and keep this aside as well. Now to the final dough, I'm going to add in some vanilla extract and all-purpose flour. This is the simple vanilla butter cookie, chocolate butter cookie, almond butter cookie. Okay, so you can prepare all these, add the ingredients according to what you like the flavor. It's not necessary to stick to what I say. So I have used here chocolate and vanilla and almond. So you can add any ingredients of your choice like cashews, pista, or anything. All right, now we'll take the butter paper at the base and for the top. Add in the dough at the center. One by one you need to do 5 times for all the different doughs. You need to immediately just flatten this in between the butter paper and do this for all the 5 doughs separately. So you will have like 10 butter papers. All right, chill for 30 minutes. After that, immediately take it out from the butter paper and make the designs as per your desire. Okay, I'm going for some simple roundels and I'll show you. So once it's chilled for 30 minutes, you should immediately remove it from the refrigerator, and immediately, I meant after 30 minutes of chilling, you should remove it from the refrigerator and immediately start shaping and place it onto the baking tray. Otherwise, the dough will start to soften and it will be difficult to make the perfect shapes. Okay, so no dough wasted, just make any desired shape of your size. I'm going to do 2 filled in cookies, so I'm going to remove a small circle at the center like this. So you can see how quickly the dough is becoming soft. So this needs to be done quickly. Also, you can use a pattern like this. Just place the cookie dough on it and pat it lightly and remove it. You can see the pattern design on it as well. So very easy, simple patterns you can make at home like this from the items at your kitchen. You need not buy it from the store and all those designing cookie tools and all that. You can do anything. I even experimented on the swan and it came out very well. Just random designs, and on few of them I have added on powdered sugar on top. So I wanted that the burnt sugary layer on it. So I have kept like this random, so you can do any designs of your shape. Go crazy, okay? And then you need to bake them for 15 minutes at 170 degrees Celsius. And now they're ready and they're cooked very well. And wait, don't attack them right now. Allow them to cool down. The dough will be still soft. You can do a toothpick test in the oven itself to test it, okay? So allow this to cool down. Once the dough is cooled down, now as I have shown you how perfectly it has come. It's so nice, buttery, so sober on your, it's superb. So I've done two roundels like that, and I have experimented on the swan also. This is looking a bit fat and this is looking a bit thin. All right, so go crazy on the designs, just experiment, just enjoy yourself. All right, making all this. And now for the base, I'm going to add in a little bit of chocolate syrup. You can get ready-made chocolate syrup or you can make it at home, and place the top like this so that it looks like the ones that you have bought from the store. And trust me, no store-bought cookies come any closer to the ones that you bake at home, because one, it is baked with fresh ingredients, no preservatives, and second, nothing comes related to homemade food. For the second one, I'm going to add in jam of your choice, and again place the top like this, and it is ready. So you have two filled in cookies and all of them. I have left most of them plain, but what you can also do, you can just drizzle bit of chocolate syrup on top of them like a zigzag pattern or parallel lines, and just go crazy with the design as I said. Alright guys, go try out this cookie, and happy Christmas and happy holidays. I'll see you next time. Bye.